Welcome everyone. Today we will learn 6 types of face masks that we can make easily from our household things. So let's begin. The first one is with ordinary handkerchief, what we use daily. After that, take the handkerchief and fold as it is shown here, slightly overlapping one another. Take 2 rubber bands, what we use daily. Then put that in your handkerchief. Put one side of the handkerchief in the fold of other side, and your face mask is ready. Next, we will use normal A4 size paper. First, fold it like Chinese fan, what you used to do in your childhood. Try not to make the folds very big, make it small to get a perfect shape. Then, take 2 rubber bands and staple it on the 2 sides like this. Make sure to press the mouth of the stapler so that it don't scratch your skin. And now open it and your face mask will be ready. Next, number 3. I have used some used colored paper. By this, I have reused or recycled the paper, which is good for our environment. Like this, we can use our used paper for making face mask. And our face mask is ready. Now, time to wear it and check it. Next, I have used a cotton bag, what we usually get when we buy something from the market. I find a cloth bag which is torn in some part, so I cut it out. And I have taken only the good part, fresh part. Now, fold that part into 2 halves and again fold it as shown. Now, look at this picture very carefully. We have to draw this in the cloth with a pencil, and then we have to cut it out from the cloth. You can take a screenshot of this picture. Now I am drawing it here. After that, I will cut it like that. Now, open it and cut it from the middle. You can see that we have got 8 leaves. We can make 2 masks from this. There will be 2 layers in each mask. After that, I have taken out the waste part of the bag and I have cut small pieces. I have made some strips like this from the waist part of the bag. Now we have to sew it here as shown here so that we get a perfect shape of the mask. Make sure you sew only the two edges of the mask. Don't sew the mouth. After that, put one over another and sew the mouth of the mask of the two sides as shown here. Before sewing the mouth, just take a pencil and mark the sewing line over which you will sew. Now take a elastic band and cut it in the length of your palm. Then sew it at the corner of the marks on the two sides. Now our face mask is ready to use. Next, number 5, what you will do if you don't have that elastic band? So we will use this type of rubber band which is easily available with any female family member of your family. Now see how to use it. Just sew it here on the both corner of the mask, then sew the mouth of the face mask and your face mask will be ready. Now it's time to use it. Now number 6, we will make a Batman shape face mask. See, the process will be same as we have done before, but here we have to make a different design. Here I am making a different design to get a different shape of the face mask. You can use of your own. You can use any design. After that, repeat the process as shown before to make the mask. But here I will be using staplers instead of sewing the face mask. So check it. See, previously we have made the mask with 2 layers, but here we will use a 3 layer mask. Okay, see, here we have got 8 pieces. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we will take here 3 layer, 1 2 3 in one side and again 3 on other side. Okay, we have done this for better protection. Now again we need that rubber band and we will staple it at the corner of the face mask without sewing it. Now we will staple the mouth of the mask. Okay, 2 mouths of the mask. Before stapling it, we should draw a line here on which we will staple. After that, cut the extra part. One thing should be remembered here, that before using it, you should press the mouth of the staplers inside the cloth tightly so that it don't scratch your face. Now it is ready to use, and see, we have got a Batman shape. Smart. Thank you for watching my video.